everyone. Thank you for watching my videos. Today we are very sad as a nation because we lost a Sungura legend, Zimbabwe musician hero Madzibaba Zakaria has been reportedly died early this morning, and he was 66. May his soul rest in peace. Madzibaba Zakaria, the legendary Zimbabwean Sungura musician, has passed away early this morning at the age of 66. His family confirmed the news, describing him as a talented musician and beloved member of our community, who left an indelible mark on the music world, known as a senior lecturer. He was a mentor to many, including Alec Macheso and System Tashida, and founded the iconic Kiama Boys. His music addressed themes of life, issues, and moral values, earning him widespread respect. However, details about a memorial service will be shared soon. May his soul rest in peace. I just want to give you a bit information of Madzibaba Zakaria. Zakaria seems to be a bit of a more talented name. Zakaria, a renowned Zimbabwean musician known as Madzibaba, senior lecturer or Sungura godfather, has led the Kiama Boys, released 28 albums, and mentored legends like Macheso and System Tashida. His music focuses on love, social issues, and moral values. Hits include Mabahua and Chikumbiro. He founded the iconic Kiama Boys in 1984, nurturing talents as said above. He has got a lot of hits. Chikumbiro and Idano Kuda performed internationally in the UK, South Africa, Botswana, and Australia. Known for his mentoring and earning the nickname senior lecturer. Award and recognition: honored with a Legend Award by Star FM in 2017 for his contribution to Zimbabwean music. Received corporate he honored and received corporate endorsement for this joint album, Zadzisa, with Simon Mtambi in 2020. His influence on Sungura has been celebrated widely. Those specific award wins are documented in history of Zimbabwe. A cultural pillar in Zimbabwe, celebrated for themes of love, resilience, and community in music, he recently passed away. Leaving behind vazukuru, vana, and a lot. So tinongoti sorai murugare Baba Zakaria.